Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I've got something exciting. Qwen 3.8-27 billion parameter, Alibaba's powerful open source 27 billion vision language model. And I'm going to show you how to use it completely free. Qwen 3.8 is a native vision language model, meaning it understands both images and videos, supports up to 262,000 tokens of context, and is built for coding, professional work, research, and long multi-step agentic tasks. It's fully open source under Apache 2.0. On LiveCodeBench, it scores 90.3, ahead of Opus 4.6 Max's 88.8. It also scores 89.2 on GPQA Diamond, and on agentic terminal coding, it hits 73.0 on Terminal Bench. For a 27 billion parameter model, these numbers are genuinely impressive. It's outperforming much bigger, closed models on several coding benchmarks. Now let's see how to use it for free. Just go to Orca Router, sign up with your email or GitHub. I already created an account on Orca Router. Let me show you the billing section first. You can see my credits are 0. Now go to API keys and click on Create Key button. Enter a key name, set expiry date, and click on Create Key. Don't use my key because I am gonna delete it later, so use your own key. Okay, copy the key and open VS Code. In Extension tab, search Qwen and install Qwen extension. After installation, open it. Go to Settings and select Open AI Compatible Provider and paste your API key here. Now go back to Orca Router. Click on Models tab and search Qwen 3.8. You can see the 65K context window model currently is available. The free tier gives you the Qwen 3.8-27 billion parameter free model with a 65,000 token context window, which is more than enough for most coding tasks. Okay, click on this model, scroll down, and you see the base URL. Copy it and come back to VS Code and paste in URL. Now copy the model ID and paste it on Qwen and click on Done. Let's test it out with a prompt and see how it performs. I given a prompt and you can see it responding. That is limited time offer. Go and grab this offer. And subscribe my channel so you new offers on time. Alright, that's it for today's video. You just saw how to use Qwen 3.8, a model that beats Claude Opus 4.6 Max on several coding benchmarks, completely free using Orca Router and Qwen right inside VS Code. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and subscribe for more free AI tool tutorials. And let me know in the comments how Qwen 3.8 performed for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.